Hi, my name is Jordan Green and I manage BizBenNetwork.com, an online platform for buying and selling existing small to mid-sized businesses throughout the United States. As someone who works closely with Jim Thomas on a regular basis, I can tell you that there is nobody who is more knowledgeable about the fitness industry or devoted to meeting the needs of his clients than Jim. If you're looking to buy or sell a gym, health club, fitness studio, or other fitness-related business, Jim is the guy you should want working with you and guiding you through the process. Jim has decades of valuable experience in the fitness industry. He is a creative problem solver that is always up to date with the latest industry trends, and he is someone who will think outside the box to help you accomplish your goals, no matter what you're up against. Even if you're a business owner that may not feel prepared to sell or will need assistance turning things around first, Jim is fully equipped to get your business back on track and help you prepare for the future sale of your business. No matter what position you're in, Jim can help you find success.